Excel released choose column function in March this year in beta version. This function allows users to extract column or columns from a table array. According to Microsoft document, this function takes one table array input and one or more column inputs in terms of column numbers. Excel tables have column numbers and row numbers, and these columns and rows can be referred to using these numbers. I have the following data table. For explanation purpose, I enter row number and column number only for this range. I will be using this range in my choose column to apply this function. In this example, I want to extract column 5 and 6, these numbers, and this function extracting column 5 and 6. You can check the total are the same. When I change these column numbers to 1 and 6, this function extracting column 1 and 6 from this table. You can see that choose column requires column numbers to extract all rows of particular columns. But working out column numbers as passing them to choose column function will be inefficient. To improve efficiency of this function, XMATCH can be used to work out column numbers using column headings. What does XMATCH function do? It searches for a specified item in range of cells and then returns the relative portion of that item in that range. I have the following data table. I want to extract columns from March and June. I am using this function to extract March and June number. March and June number. You can see it's extracting March and June numbers. By changing column headings, here it is month, users can extract different columns without giving column numerical references using XMatch with choose columns. Next, I will explain how to use function to extract last 3 months of columns of data. In this example, users can always extract last 3 monthly numbers. This is useful when dates of data and thus number of columns grow over time, and the users want to see just last 3 months. I have the following data table, and I am using this function to extract April, May, and June. That's the last 3 months. I am using sequence function to populate numbers 3 to 1 because I want to extract only last 3 months, and you can see this function is populating last 3 months. Then I can use this to extract last 3 months numbers from the table using this function. You can see it's extracting last 3 months. When I add July to this data table, you can see the following formula. This formula will extract May, June, and July. May, June, and July. And then when I pass this dates to choose column, it's extracting last 3 months of the data table. I will do other videos to give some more examples